This is Katrina's Price's Home Life and more. Like and subscribe today. And join me for home decor for every season and most holidays. Tablescapes. Indoor and outdoor inspiration. Oh yeah, and I throw down in the kitchen. Cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. New videos Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And streaming live the first Saturday of the month at 10 a.m. Follow me on my socials at Katrina's Price's Home, Life, and more. As always, the full ingredients listing and directions will be in the description box below. Starting off first, I have washed my zucchini and now I'm cutting them lengthwise to scoop them out and make my zucchini boats. If you love quick, easy, and delicious recipes, well, I have it covered. I only have maybe 5, 20, 90-something videos with great recipes for your cooking and taste buds enjoyment. You can use either a melon scooper or a spoon to scoop out the flesh of your zucchini. Make sure to leave at least 1/4 of an inch on both ends. Hence, you're creating the zucchini boat. Let me show you that again. And don't throw away that flesh. We're going to use that. Yeah, we're going to use that as well. Place your zucchini boats on a baking sheet. Spray lightly with olive oil. Then place them in a preheated oven. We're at 375 degrees, and that's for 15 minutes. If you're enjoying today's video so far, you know what I need you to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and consider leaving a kind comment below. Now it's time to make this delicious filling for our zucchini boats. In a oil pan, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, I'm sauteing my diced onions. Next up, let's add 1 pound of ground beef. Of course, you can use turkey as an alternative. Break that beef or turkey down, season to taste, and we're also going to add the flesh of our zucchini. You know, the stuff we scooped out. After my meat is completely brown, next I'm adding my marinara sauce, about 1.5 cups. And because I just like to, I'm adding a pinch of sugar to cut that tomato taste. It's optional. Now it's time to fill my zucchini boats. I'm putting in my meat sauce, and then I'm sprinkling over the top of each boat with a mixture of parmesan and mozzarella cheese. Back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. I hope that you will consider today's visit time well spent with this quick, easy, and oh so delicious recipe. And I know You're giving me a big thumbs up, right? Yeah. So give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I'm reminding you to leave that kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. Thanks so much again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Until then, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.